In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the 5-inch chain in this Bauer pruning saw. Now, Harbor Freight / Bauer came out with this pruning saw not too long ago. This is a fairly new tool. It works great. I've done a review on it. I've had this for a couple weeks. So if you're going to use this a lot, you're eventually going to need to either sharpen or replace that chain. So I've got a 3-pack here. I'll put a link in the description how to get this off Amazon. And I'll go ahead and show you how to change it. Number one thing you need to do, always disconnect the battery. You don't want to accidentally pull the trigger, or you're going to move the wrong way and accidentally just bump the trigger and have this chain turn at all. So important, make sure you remove the battery. Well, next we're going to go ahead and remove this cover. So you're going to turn it counterclockwise. Just keep on spinning this until it's loose and lifts off. With that cover off, we can go ahead and lift up on the bar and remove the bar and chain. Now you can put a chain on backwards. So on the bar, it actually shows a picture of how the chain is supposed to go. So this is the original chain that came on it. I know it works good. You can just take a look at how the cutting teeth are laid. And then you can look at your new chain, just kind of eyeball it, line it up, and make sure it's going to go on the same way. And your new chain should fit right down into the groove on the bar. Now we need to move the tensioning pin in, because as you use your pruning saw, your chain will become stretched and you'll need to tighten it up with this screw right here. So after you tighten it a couple times, it will be too far forward. So we just need to loosen this up and get this pin to go back a little bit to put on the new chain. With a Phillips screw, you just turn it counterclockwise and you'll see the pin going back this way. Now you want to slide the chain on this sprocket right here. We'll rotate it around a little bit. Drop the bar into that pin. We need to put this cover back on. You're just going to go ahead and turn it to the right. You'll feel it start to get snug. As you can see, the chain is really loose, so we're going to go ahead and turn that tension screw. With a Phillips screwdriver, we're going to turn it to the right or clockwise, and you'll be able to see the chain actually kind of get sucked up into the bar and tighten up. And right there, it's kind of sunk into the bar. You should be able to pull on it and maybe get about 3/16 of an inch of play. Now we just need to tighten this down. So we do have it snug, so you're going to go about 3/8 of a turn, or about a 1/4 turn to a 1/2 turn. You're going to tighten it pretty tight. And now I'm going to install the battery and just kind of make sure it's not making any weird noises. Everything looks good. Now here's a little tip to help your chains last a little longer. Before you install them, you can soak them in a real lightweight motor oil, like 520 motor oil, for a couple hours before you install it. You're also going to need to put a little bit of oil on this every so many cuts, maybe about every 10 cuts. I like to just oil my chain up, keep it nice and oiled. And then every 10 cuts, go ahead and check that tension on the chain. You might have to give it about a 1/4 of a turn every so often, depending on what you're cutting. I'll put a link in the description how you can get these chains off Amazon and have them show up at your doorstep in 1 to 2 days. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.